again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I want to show you how to make a very easy apple crumble. Don't worry about the ingredients because you'll see it at the end. First thing we need to do is to mix a cup of oats, half a cup of sugar, raw sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Just mix it. Now I am going to use my 11-inch skillet to prepare the apple. I'll use cone number 2, about 4 to 5 pieces of apple, put the mixture on the top. Now it's ready to be cooked. So you don't need an oven. I'll just cook it for about 15 minutes. When it clicks, I'll turn it down to low. But you always start on medium heat.